Hi there, welcome back. Today we are at Aviemore to take the ride of Scotland's heritage railway, the Strathspey Railway. We pre-booked our light lunch tickets online. We are now going to collect them before boarding.
Okay, thank you. Just right up the top, yes, in the rain, unfortunately. But if you just wait in the shelter until you see that they're ready, okay? Toilets are at the end.
The train has arrived at Aviemore Station Platform 3. This is where it operates from. The steam locomotive that you see here gets detached and again going to reattach with the front carriage. Let's go inside the heritage coach and see how it looks. We are booked in standard class, which is at tables of 4. The train departed on time, and soon after that they served hot chocolate and coffee to start with. The journey alongside the famous river Spey all the way to Broomhill was very delightful. The light lunch was served, which includes sandwiches and a warm bowl of soup of our choice. You can choose yours from their menu for the day. The first stop of this heritage journey, Boat of Garton. It stopped there for a few minutes and continued. We had a look around once we reached the final stop, Broomhill. Now it's time to return where we started. had a look at the economy coach as well. Food services are not inclusive in this coach. It was raining the whole time. We couldn't get the best of the views along the journey, but the experience of this 1 hour and 45 minutes journey was amazing. Apart from the light lunch, there are afternoon tea services as well. You can find all the information on the website and plan your ride. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.